Last night was so good, slept like a baby. Now it's day 3 of the moving journey. Just got fresh and now we'll pack all this stuff and then we'll head downstairs, have some breakfast, some complimentary breakfast that the hotel gives you. After that, it's still 1 hour left towards reaching our destination. We'll drive that 1 hour, move our stuff to Anthony's house, and then I'll show you guys his place, and then we'll ask him some questions that how to get a property over here and what the rents look like and what the property looks like. But first thing first, gotta pack the stuff. Finally towards the last hour of the journey. Can't wait not to drive any longer. Once we'll reach there, we'll unload the truck and then I'll give you guys his house tour and give you all the information regarding getting a house in Florida, Tampa area. Done moving the stuff in, so now let me take you inside and give you the house tour of Anthony's new house.
Man, what do you want?
Hey, can I have a house tour?
Who are you?
Hell
yeah. Get your ass in. Let's go.
Here we go. This is his new house. So
This is the living room.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you'll put your TV couch over here.
TV, no couch, too poor.
Okay.
Then we have a closet with a washer and dryer.
Nice. Nice.
With that. I don't even know what the light is. That's something.
That's good though.
Washer and dryer in the closet. And this is the kitchen. Small kitchen. But I'll do.
It's a nice kitchen.
Well, I don't cook, so.
There we go. Nice.
And this is we call this the shitter.
The shitter?
The shitter. But it's also the washroom, the bathroom. So.
How much did you pay for the house and what's the process?
The house, the rent is $2,100.
Okay.
You gotta give them first, last month of security. I don't
Okay.
want to do math right now. You guys figure it out.
Okay.
Just take 2,100 times 3, you morons.
Nice.
This is a downstairs bedroom where I'm gonna make it to kind of like my office / another bedroom space because I work from home.
Yeah, we all know.
I sleep most of the time. Then there's a view here.
Nice. You have the front of a lake? Is that a lake?
I don't know what this is. And I don't know how to open the door. Okay, so this is the closet space. Nothing in it yet.
More closet. What's your monthly rent over here?
That's it, the total, $2,100.
2,100?
Then this is another bedroom with all the stuff we just moved in. Got the same view from the downstairs bedroom.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a pond.
It's a pond? But it looks nice though, right?
Sure.
Right in front of your house.
And then there's a closet space. There's another shit in here.
More closet space. This is a nice big bedroom. $2,100. That's good.
This is a shower. And this is another bedroom. And you gotta ask me why the hell do I have 3 bedrooms?
Why the hell do you have 3 bedrooms?
Because, in case, I don't really know.
And that was the house tour. Hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, comments or thoughts, let me know in the comment section what you think about the house and what you think that paying $2,100 is fair enough over here in Florida or no. Anyways, long story short, now it's time to fly the drone. So let's see what the area looks like. Day 4 in Florida. Yesterday I ended up the vlog after the home tour because after that we went out for shopping for the new home shopping. Along with that had a dinner, and the weather was bad so we could not explore anything, so came back home and we were super tired, so slept. But today's plan is to explore Clearwater area, St. Petersburg area, the whole area that we live in, the surroundings, and let's see what's in the area and have fun today. So this was the Clearwater area and our journey from Scranton, Pennsylvania to Clearwater, Florida. Now it's time to go back home, pack the stuff, and then hit the airport because I have a flight to catch to go back home. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next. Until then, peace.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup.